Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's create this makeup look with me. So guys, I got today's makeup inspiration from this pic, and this makeup is called Latina makeup. So for this makeup look, firstly you should use a shade darker or same color as your eyebrows and fill them in. Now the next step is to define your eyebrows with the help of concealer, as just like I am doing in this video to define my brows. Now using the small makeup brush, carefully blend the concealer around your brows to ensure a seamless finish. This technique helps in define and clean up the brow shape by providing a polished look. Now choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. Then distribute the foundation on your face evenly and blend it evenly using a beauty blender or brush for a flawless finish. Then apply concealer to cover any blemishes or any dark circles. Also highlight the area like the under eyes, bridge of the nose and forehead. And again using the beauty blender, blend the concealer evenly. Apply the bronzer on the forehead and cheeks and blend them well with a brush for a natural and lifted finish. Now I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. So I am setting my foundation and concealer to prevent shine and make my makeup long lasting. After that, contouring your nose and putting the blush on the ample of your cheeks for a healthy and radiant glow. Now I am using this 9 color Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I am taking this brown shade and apply it on all over my eyelid and near my lower lash line. After that, tighten the eyeliner at the end of your eyes. Now next step is to applying highlighter with your finger on the nose and the beginning of your eyes. Apply false eyelashes and trim if needed. Apply lash glue and carefully place them along your lash line. Now defining your lips with a lip liner. Then finally apply a slightly darker lipstick and apply a gloss if you wish. So guys, at this point our makeup is almost done and it's time to do our hair. So I'm just straighten up my hairs by using this Agaro 4-in-1 hairstyler. So guys, I have reviewed this product in my previous video, and if you have not seen that video yet, then go and watch it because this product is just amazing. You guys can't believe it is 4-in-1 hairstyler and it works superb, so you must try it out. So guys, I forgot about the setting spray. Now I am using it to keep my makeup placed throughout the day. So here's the final look. I hope you like the makeup tutorial and enjoying my videos, and this is the final look. So कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको ये कैसा लगा, एंड या मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।